Well, good Thursday evening, everybody. This is Dave again, and it's day 3 of riding on our e-bike. I'm making pretty good progress on all the adjustments. I got rid of that, if you can hear, I got rid of that squeak. I was kind of looking online, and they were talking about tearing everything apart, but this is a brand new bike. You shouldn't have to tear anything apart. So I just ended up squirting it with a little WD-40 and kind of cleaning off the rotors a little bit, and that seemed to work. So hopefully that's all we needed to do. It is a Thursday evening. I'm going to take a ride down into the town here. I'm going to kind of just turn you around and put you on the road for a little bit. All right, back through downtown again. The downtown kind of dies off. There's not much going on around here. Kind of gets a little dark, pretty quiet in the evening. I think we're out for our evening stroll. I did get my cell phone holder in today. I wasn't very happy with it. The frame that it's going to be sitting in kind of blocks the camera a little bit, so it's kind of a partial blur. And it's a little bit too low when it's facing forward taking a picture, that it kind of gets blocked. Turn my lights on. Put my lights on. So I'm going to return that one and probably order a new one, different one that I was looking at. I should have got that one in the first place, but oh well. Yeah, I think we'll take let's take the highway again. Take the bike lane on the highway. Just want to stop here for a second and kind of turn this. There, that'll work. It's busy in the evening again. So put it up to pedal assist 5. Well, WD-40 kind of worked a little bit because I went out for a test drive on it and I was hitting 20. And we're just about at 19.5 right now. We're kind of just pedaling along. We had our supper, and it's about 5:30, about an hour or so before sunset. And it looks like this business is getting out again. This one, I almost hit that pickup, or the pickup almost hit me going out. So, get it going the way it is supposed to be going on the way. We got a long day there working. I keep on forgetting I'm retired. riding on the highway here is you can't really be swerving around. You got to kind of stay in your bike lane. You can see the people that really appreciate the buffer zone, if it's available to them, when they pass you up, they're one tire of you over the dotted line there. So take a look at this next car coming up, and if he's on the inside lane, if he's really good, he should be in the other lane just to get away from you altogether, but we know that doesn't happen. So we'll watch this guy coming up, see where his car is positioned in the roadway. He's in the other lane, so he was good. I think he came back into the center lane, so he was a good driver. This one, he had no choice. He had a car right next to him, so he couldn't really go out too much. You know, once you become a bike rider, you kind of appreciate and respect to give it to the riders on the road here. Because they can kind of make your day a hard day for the rest of your life if they end up swiping you on the side. We're getting kind of used to this route. I really haven't mapped it to see how long this loop is, but I imagine it's probably about 5 miles. We're sitting at coming up on almost 5 miles right now. 24.8 miles on the odometer. Car waiting here. Taking a turn here. Coming up our drive. And it's a scenic road. Tuscaloosa Road. So we'll take this one into downtown and then take that little left-hand turn in downtown and head towards I-75 and make a turnaround. And that should get us almost to 10 miles, I think. So I think we got a route timed out. And it seems that route takes us about an hour to go through the whole loop. We got a steady 19 miles an hour. And we got our first speed table here. Boy, it's nice not hearing that squeaking in the back. Just gave the chain a good lubrication with WD-40 and just sprayed down the derailleur and the rear disc brake. And the brakes are still working good. You just might have some residue on it that it was picking up on the pads, but that seemed to have did the business there. I gotta tell you, when I went out for the test drive after I sprayed it down with WD-40, I took a little bit of a dump. For some reason I had that seat. What happened with the seat, but I found out what was going on with the seat. Yesterday I was in there changing the height all the time because it always seemed like it was getting smaller and slower. Well, there's an adjustment on how tight that snap is when you it's on the seat adjuster, and I just turned that a little bit. Little things like that I'm kind of learning. So right now, coming up to another speed bump here. Just coming back into downtown here. Downtown Micanopy. It's also pronounced a different way. I forgot how it was. I asked Google and she kind of pronounced it a different way. Which is how the lady pronounced it when I asked her when I arrived here for house sitting. So in this lane, and we got a left-hand turn here. This is a little road that'll take us back to I-75. Sitting at 26 miles right now on the odometer. Miles an hour, so we're going up just about as fast as we can. Got it on pedal assist 5, and the Shimano gear is at 7, so we're peaked out. And that looks like that's the fire department. That was almost the sheriff and the police. Passing this water tower here. Turn around down here. This is the little learning center. Micanopy Area Cooperative School. So we're just going to turn around here, kind of pull over to the side for a little bit. Now we're going to make a little turn. Traffic a little bit. Kind of straighten my seat out a little bit. I'm assuming you're doing pretty good. Let's let this car go by, so we don't have to worry about him. Another car coming. Well, it's coming down the driveway now. Coming up to the front door. Well, thanks for coming along on this day 3. We just hit our 30 miles on the odometer. So that puts us, for what we've been doing, about 10 miles a day. So catch you tomorrow, day 4. Adios.